Ever wonder how companies figure out what sells and what doesn't? It's not magic, it's the work of sales analysts, the behind the scenes detectives of the business world. These number ninjas dig deep into data to uncover hidden trends and insights. They sift through mountains of information to find the golden nuggets that can make or break a product. Think of them as the Sherlock Holmes of sales, using their magnifying glass or spreadsheets to crack the code of customer behavior. They analyze past sales, predict future trends, and help companies make informed decisions. In this essay, we'll pull back the curtain on the world of sales analysts. We'll delve into their daily routines, the tools they use, and the critical role they play in shaping business strategies. We'll explore their daily grind, the skills they need to succeed, and the challenges they face. From mastering complex software to staying ahead of market trends, their job is as demanding as it is rewarding. Buckle up because we're about to dive deep into the fascinating world of sales analysis. Get ready to uncover the secrets behind the numbers and see how these unsung heroes drive business success. Ready to see if you have what it takes to be a sales analyst? Let's go. Join us on this journey to understand the vital role they play in the business ecosystem. So, you're intrigued by the idea of being a sales analyst, but what does a typical day look like? Well, there's no such thing as typical in this role, but here's a glimpse into their world. First and foremost, sales analysts are masters of data. They live and breathe numbers, spending their days swimming in spreadsheets and reports. They analyze sales figures, track marketing campaigns, and identify customer buying patterns. Their goal? To answer the million-dollar question: how can we sell more? Sales analysts don't just crunch numbers, they tell stories with them. They translate complex data into easy to understand reports and presentations. They present their findings to sales teams and managers, providing actionable insights to drive sales strategies and boost revenue. But their work doesn't stop there. Sales analysts often work long hours, diving deep into data to uncover hidden trends and opportunities. They continuously update their skills, attending webinars and training sessions to stay ahead in the ever evolving world of sales analytics. Collaboration is key. They work closely with marketing teams to align sales strategies with marketing efforts, ensuring a cohesive approach to reaching customers. And when their insights lead to a successful sales quarter, it's a rewarding experience, knowing their hard work has made a tangible impact on the company's success. Think you have what it takes to be a sales analyst? It's a role that demands a unique blend of skills and attributes. It's more than just being a math whiz. Sure, numbers are important, but there's so much more to it. Here are some essential skills you'll need to thrive in this dynamic field. Analytical acumen. This one's a no brainer. You need a knack for numbers and a passion for digging into data to uncover hidden trends. It's about seeing patterns where others see chaos. Tech savvy. Sales analysts are pros at using data analysis tools and software. Think Excel, SQL, and data visualization platforms. Being comfortable with technology is crucial, as it helps you streamline processes and uncover insights faster. Communication is key. You'll need to explain your findings clearly and concisely, both in writing and verbally. It's not just about what you find, but how you present it to stakeholders that can make a difference. Problem solving, prowess. Sales analysts are constantly faced with challenges and need to think critically to find solutions. Whether it's a sudden market shift or an unexpected data anomaly, your ability to adapt and solve problems is essential. Remember, being a sales analyst is about more than just crunching numbers. It's about using your skills to tell a compelling story with data and drive business results. Your insights can shape strategies, influence decisions, and ultimately contribute to the success of the business. Sales analysts might seem like lone wolves hunched over their computers, but they're actually vital team players. They work closely with various departments, acting as the bridge between sales, marketing, and management. Imagine a bustling hive of activity. Sales analysts are right in the middle, collaborating with sales reps to understand customer feedback, partnering with marketing teams to measure campaign effectiveness, and presenting insights to managers to inform strategic decisions. They're the go to gurus for all things data related, providing valuable insights to help everyone make informed decisions.